Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to convert iPhone video to slow motion videos. First things first, check if you have the iMovie application. But do note that most iPhones already have this pre-installed. But if you don't have any, head to your App Store and type iMovie and click Install. Once you have it downloaded, you'll want to open it up. Once here, you can basically edit anything in this, whether it be fast-paced or slow motion. So what you want to do now is click the option at the bottom. Then, select the movie maker or the movie. After that, you can now select whichever video you'll want to edit. Now, once you've selected the video, it will bring you to a new page where you can edit the video that you have selected. So, if you want to slow down the video, you can do it by clicking the video itself. After you do that, you'll see several new options appearing or will appear in the bottom of your editor. Click the second icon from the left, and there will be a slider indicator for you to adjust the speed of the video. Once you're finished with editing the video speed, you can now click Done, and you'll want to click on the middle share icon at the bottom of your screen. After you press that, it will show several options for you to click, but you must select Save Video. Next thing that will happen is it will process your edited video and wait for it to be saved. And that's it. You can now slow down or have your And that's it. You can now slow down your videos on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.